If you want to learn how to use PartnerStack's partner incentives to scale your affiliate or partner program, you've come to the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to set up and maximize partner incentives for your business. Stick around until the end because I'll share how you can try PartnerStack for free and get exclusive bonuses. PartnerStack is an all-in-one platform that helps you manage, grow, and optimize your partner programs. If you're new to the platform, getting started with partner incentives can really boost your program's growth. Let's dive in. First off, partner incentives is a feature within PartnerStack that allows you to motivate and reward your partners for bringing in leads, customers, or sales. What makes it stand out is its flexibility. You can design incentive structures that align with your business goals, whether you're rewarding a partner for one-off referrals or a more complex performance-based tier system. Once you're logged into PartnerStack, head to the Incentives tab in your dashboard. This is where the magic happens. From here, you can create custom incentive programs. For example, you can offer a flat commission, a percentage of sales, or even bonuses for specific milestones. The platform allows you to design a program that suits your needs, whether you're running a simple referral program or an advanced partner incentive structure. Next, let's talk about setting up different types of incentives. PartnerStack gives you the ability to offer both recurring and one-time rewards. Recurring rewards are great for SaaS businesses or subscription-based services where you want to continue rewarding partners for the lifetime value of a customer they refer. On the other hand, one-time rewards work best if you want to motivate quick actions like a product sale or a sign-up. Another feature you'll love is the ability to set different reward levels for different types of partners. For example, a top-performing affiliate might earn a higher percentage, while a new partner gets a smaller initial reward. This tiered system creates an environment where everyone has a clear incentive to push harder and earn more. When you've designed your incentive structure, PartnerStack lets you automate everything. No need for spreadsheets or manual tracking. The platform automatically tracks your partners' actions, calculates commissions, and ensures they get paid on time. This reduces admin work and ensures your partners stay motivated. You'll also want to check out the real-time reporting feature. It gives you full visibility into how your incentives are performing, which partners are bringing in the most revenue, and where you might need to make adjustments. PartnerStack's robust reporting tools are perfect for scaling your program and making data-driven decisions. Now, for those of you wondering how to get started with PartnerStack, you can actually use the software for completely free from the first link below, which includes exclusive bonuses. It's a great way to explore all of PartnerStack's features, including partner incentives, without committing upfront. Incentive-based partnerships can be a game changer for your affiliate program, and PartnerStack is one of the best tools to streamline that process. Whether you're looking to reward your partners for sales, leads, or engagement, this platform has you covered. With an easy-to-use interface and powerful tracking features, it's built for growth. Before we wrap up, don't forget, if you're serious about growing your partner program, take advantage of the exclusive extended free trial through the link below. This means you can test out PartnerStack's partner incentives and see how they can boost your business without any initial cost. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the link for your free trial.